On the second item, we're taking a look at what the bearing pressure is on this concrete slab. So we've got 11,000 pounds pushing down on this square bearing plate. It is of dimension A by A. It's a square plate. We don't know what its dimension is. That's what we're going to find out. And so we're looking at the resisting pressure, the pressure that has to bear back up, or you could look at it as the pressure that is bearing down on the concrete just right underneath that plate. And in this case, we have to limit that bearing pressure to be no more than 200 psi. So all we're going to do there is that sigma bearing is going to be equal to our force divided by our total bearing area, and that will be then our 11,000 pounds divided by our dimensions of our plate, so that would be A squared. It has to be less than or equal to 200 psi, so that means that A squared has to be greater than or equal to 11,000 pounds over 200 pounds per square inch, or A squared is going to have to be greater than or equal to 55, and of course 55 in its square root is 7.416, so therefore A is going to have to be greater than 7.416 inches, and of course you're not going to specify that as your bearing plate. You're going to choose A to be ultimately 7.5 inches.